Algebra, solved by adding or subtracting. So when we solve for adding and subtracting, we're just basically moving the positives and the negatives around. So if we look at this question, we have 4 plus 8 equals 16. So we want to keep the letters on one side and the numbers on the other side. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that positive 4 and we're going to move it across the equal sign. When it moves across the equal sign, it becomes a negative 4. Once we have that, we can rewrite out our question. So we have a equals 16 minus 4, and a is going to equal 12. I want to point something out to you. It looks like it's actually, it looks like it's an upside down triangle. So you see how I have all three of those equal signs all lined up. So it kind of looks like a triangle. All right. Keep it organized and you'll get them right. Next one, let's take a peek at this guy. So we have negative 14 plus a equals 12. So what do we need to move over? Well, we could move the 12 over, but if we move the 12 over, we're going to have to move the a. So why don't we move the negative 14 over? So move the negative 14 over, it's going to become a positive 14. So we have a equals 12 plus 14. When we put those guys together, a equals 16. And once again, if you notice, my equal signs are all lined up. I'm not writing it across the page. I'm trying to keep it a little bit organized. Next up, we have 23 equals negative 7 plus b. So what do we need to move across? Well, we're going to move that negative 7 across. When the negative 7 moves across, it becomes a positive 7 plus 23 equals b. 7 plus 23 is going to give you 30 equals b. All right, last one here. Negative b plus 6 equals 12. Well, when you have a negative variable, you really need to change it to a positive. So how can we change our negative b to a positive? We can move it over. Now, if I move it over to the other side, it's going to be a positive b, but it's also going to be on the same side as 12. So we got to take that 12 and move the 12 over. So now I have negative 12 plus 6 equals b. Negative 12 plus 6 is going to give you an answer of negative 6 equals b.